Friends, we're making delicious paneer pizza. For the pizza dough, combine your warm water, sugar, and active dry yeast. Keep this to the side while you combine your all-purpose flour and salt. Then combine your wet mixture with your dry mixture. Knead for about 8 to 10 minutes until your desired consistency. Add more flour and water if needed. Our pizza dough has been rising at room temperature for about 2 hours. It has doubled in size. Just look at this. Right now I'm deflating it and then I'm going to make it into balls and stretch it. Here I've stretched the pizza and I'm going to put on our own created green chutney. This is a variation of our pudeena chutney. It's spinach, coriander, mint, lemon juice, and oil so it doesn't dry out while baking. Next I'm going to put in our marinara sauce. This is your typical marinara sauce. It can be store-bought or homemade. We used homemade. Next I'm going to put on some fresh mozzarella cheese, any veggies I want, and since this is a paneer pizza, I'm also going to be putting on some marinated paneer. For the marination, combine some yogurt, all your spices and masalas listed before, and add the paneer. Let this sit for a little while. Then, fry it and put it on your pizza. I hope you all enjoy this recipe.